The Excellence Awards 2023-24 organized by the Army Welfare Education Society for Army schools all over India.
On behalf of Major General P.R. Murli, Vishisht Seva Medal, Managing Director, Army Welfare Education Society, our patron, Major General Anupam Agarwal, GOC 22 Infantry Division, our Chairman, Brigadier Shishir Thamaya, Sena Medal, and our Principal, Mrs. Neena Singh, staff and students of Army Public School, Shankar Vihar, it is our proud privilege to extend a very warm welcome to our Chief Guest, Lieutenant General Bhavnesh Kumar, Vishisht Seva Medal, General Officer Commanding Delhi Area. Lieutenant General Bhavnesh Kumar, Vishisht Seva Medal, is a second generation officer who was commissioned into 3rd Battalion, the Parachute Regiment, on 16 December 1988. The General Officer has commanded 5 Kumaon, a mountain brigade in Northern Command, and a rapid strike on Western borders.
Sir has held various staff appointments as Deputy MS at Military Secretary's Branch, Director, Complaint Advisory Board at Chief of the Army Staff Secretariat, Colonel GS of a mountain division in Northeast, and BGS of a corps in high altitude area in Northern Command. His tenures also include the instructional appointments at the Infantry School Mau and Counter-Insurgency and Jungle Warfare School Valente. He undertook his foreign mission at Kabul, Afghanistan. Apart from the basic military courses and a course with the Army School of Ammunition in the United Kingdom, the General Officer is qualified in Defence Services Staff College, High Command and National Defence College. A hearty welcome once again, sir.
May we now request our Honourable Chief Guest, Lieutenant General Bhavnesh Kumar, Vishisht Seva Medal, General Officer Commanding Delhi Area, to light the auspicious ceremonial lamp, please. We would also request Major General P.R. Murli, Vishisht Seva Medal, MD Avis, Major General Anupam Agarwal, GOC 22 Infantry Division, our guest of honour, Mrs. Gunjan Agarwal, along with Chairman Sir and Principal Ma'am to accompany him, please.
On behalf of Major General P.R. Murli, Vishisht Seva Medal, retired, Managing Director, Army Welfare Education Society, and Major General Anupam Agarwal, General Officer Commanding 22 Infantry Day, Patron of APS Shankar Vihar, and Brigadier Shishir Thamaya, Sena Medal, Chairman of AP Shankar Vihar, and the complete fraternity of APS Shankar Vihar, I, Neena Singh, Principal A.P. Shankar Vihar, extend a warm welcome to our chief guest, Lieutenant General Bhavnesh Kumar, Vishish Seva Medal, General Officer Commanding Delhi Area. Our children have said a lot about you, sir. So in this script, I had included all that my children, lovely children, they have said. So nothing much to say. Your achievements, they are valuable for our children. And of course, it's going to do, we also extend a hearty welcome to all the dignitaries, including the principals of the award-winning schools, to the Army Welfare Education Society Excellence Award Ceremony 2024. Sir, your achievements and contributions are truly inspiring. We are honored to have you with us today. It's a pleasure to welcome you all to the annual Excellence Award Ceremony. Today, we gather to celebrate the dedication, hard work, and exceptional achievements of students of various APSs who have excelled across academics, sports, co-scholastic, and other fields. To celebrate the accomplishment of our young achievers, our award winners, I congratulate each one of you. It is the result of your dedication and your commitment to the excellence. You have truly earned your moment in the spotlight, and we are all very proud of you. At this ceremony, we not only honor the achievements of our students, but also the hard work and guidance of teachers and parents who have supported every step of the way. Today, we celebrate our shared commitment to excellence in education and the incredible potential it unlocks in each of our students. Let us all celebrate together as we recognize the outstanding accomplishments of these young minds, and let us continue to inspire each other to aim higher and dream bigger. Jai Hind. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. We at Army Public School Shankar Vihar believe in what Maurice Vihart had once said, and I quote, "Dance, a minimum of explanation, a minimum of anecdotes, and a maximum of expression and sensations. So let us witness this sensational dance, Bharat Vasundhara, presented by the Twinkle Toes of Senior Wing."
spectacular and exuberant performance. Let's hear it for our young singers and dancers, please. Dear audience, Army Welfare Education Society has a dynamic motto of quality education at an affordable cost. It runs 137 schools and various professional colleges all over India. Army Welfare Education Society has constituted Excellence Awards to applaud and recognize the excellent and outstanding academic and co-curricular results from Army schools all over India.
These Excellence Awards are aimed at inculcating a healthy competition among Army schools with a view of improving overall educational performance and standards, to provide a fair and well-deserved judgment and an even platform to all the schools. The schools are divided into very large, medium, small and very small category schools on the basis of diversity in strength and location of the school.
So without further ado, let us invite Major General P.R. Murli, Vishisht Seva Medal, M.D. Avis, and our guest of honor, Mrs. Gunjan Agarwal, to present the first set of awards, please. We will also request Chairman Sir and Principal Ma'am to kindly escort him, please.
We will begin with the presentation of winners for the national level English debate, which was held earlier today. As they say, there's always the motivation of wanting to win. Everybody has that, but a champion needs, in his attitude, a motivation above and beyond winning.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's begin with the individual prizes. Let's see who asked the most potent questions today. The best interjector prize goes to Durgesh Upadhyaya of Army Public School, Sagar. A huge round of applause for him.
As they say, the power of real debate is in the language and intellectual honesty of the debaters. The best speaker for the motion today is Ria of APS Sagar. Let's wait for you, please.
The best speaker against the motion is Udita Chakrabarti of APS Barakpur. Let's applaud her efforts.
The second best speaker for the motion goes to Simran of APS Bhatinda. Let's wait for her, please.
The second best speaker against the motion is Abhinav of Army Public School, Bhatinda.
The second best interjector for today's debate is Rishita Priyadarshini of APS Delhi Camp. Let's give her a huge round of applause. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we come to the team awards for the debate. The runners-up trophy goes to Team APS Bhatinda, representing South Western Command. A huge round of applause for them, please.
With that, we come to the biggest prize of the day, the winner's prize. The winners of the National Level English Debate 2024 is Team Army Public School, Barapur, representing Eastern Command. Let's have a huge round of applause, please. Another round of applause for APS Barrackpur, please. We also have an impressive lineup of prizes for all the participating teams. We would request the teams to kindly join us for the felicitation.
Beginning with Team APS Dhar Road. Let's give them a huge round of applause.
A round of applause for them, please.
We now have team APS Sagar. A big round of applause for them, please. A round of applause for them, please. Coming up next is team APS Gorakhpur. Let us continue with the applause, please. Finally, last but certainly not the least, is team APS Diligent. A huge round of applause again, please.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Heartiest congratulations to all the winners and participants. Kudos to their sterling performance.
William Hazlitt, the famous essayist, had once remarked, "There is no path so steep as that of fame, no labor so hard as the pursuit of excellence." Dear audience, let us now invite our esteemed chief guest, Lieutenant General Bhavnesh Kumar, Vishisht Seva Medal, GOC Delhi area, to kindly join us on the stage to award the winners of schools from different categories. We would also request Major General P.R. Murli, Vishisht Seva Medal, Managing Director, Army Welfare Education Society, our Chairman Sir and our Principal Ma'am to kindly escort him to the dais, please.
Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, India's first education minister, had once remarked, and I quote, "A good school is a national asset of highest value at any place and at any time. Schools are the laboratories which provide the future citizens of the state." Unquote. The first award for today has been constituted to recognize the maximum induction of the school's alumni into institutes of higher education all over India. This trophy has been christened as the Achievers Trophy.
The school winning the first position is being awarded a handsome trophy and a cash incentive of rupees 1 lakh. APS Bolaram is the first position winner of this category.
The schools securing the second position is being awarded a trophy and a cash incentive of rupees 75,000. APS Hisar has stood second and won this award. An appreciative ovation for them, please.
Post-scholastic activities help develop students' holistic development as well as critical skills and abilities to be successful and happy in their 21st century life and workplaces. Therefore, the importance of post-scholastic activities is immense during school and college education. So, to recognize this aspect of education, a post-scholastic trophy has been constituted.
The schools winning the first position are being awarded a handsome trophy and a cash incentive of rupees 1 lakh. APS Kanpur and APS Delhi Kent are the joint winners for this category. Please give them a big round of applause.
The school securing the second position is being awarded a trophy and a cash incentive of rupees 75,000. APS We will begin with the presentation of awards for academic excellence with awards for class 10.
The prizes constituted for the very large category schools are: the school winning the first position is being awarded a handsome trophy and a cash incentive of rupees 75,000. This award is backed by APS Devlali. A huge round of applause for them, please.
The school bagging the second position is being awarded a silver trophy and a cash incentive of 50,000 rupees. APS Chandi Mandir walks away with this prize. Ladies and gentlemen, give them a big round of applause. move on to the next category.
The prizes constituted for the last category schools are: the school winning the first position is being awarded an impressive golden trophy and a cash incentive of rupees 75,000. APS SP Marg Lucknow has topped this category. A big round of applause for them, please.
The school bagging the second position is being awarded a silver trophy and a cash incentive of rupees 50,000. The school which stood second in this category for the year 2024 is APS Prayagraj. Let's give them a huge round of applause. Moving on to the next category.
The prizes constituted for the medium category schools are: the school winning the first position is being awarded a handsome trophy and a cash incentive of rupees 75,000. APS Gopalpur has topped this category. A big round of applause for them, please.
The school standing second is being awarded a silver trophy and a cash incentive of rupees 50,000. The school which stood second in this category this year is APS Nagrota. Let's give the winner a huge round of applause. We now come to the small category schools.
The prizes constituted for the small category schools are: for the first position, the school is being awarded a trophy and a cash incentive of rupees 75,000. APS Ranikhet has topped this category this year. A huge round of applause for them.
The school securing the second position is being awarded a trophy and a cash incentive of rupees 50,000. APS Varanasi has stood second and won this award. Please give them a big round of applause. Ladies and gentlemen, we now move to the last and final category for class 10.
The prizes constituted for the very small category schools are: the school standing first in this category is APS Kalimpong. They are being awarded a trophy and a cash incentive of rupees 75,000. Let's hear it for them, please.
The school securing the second position is being awarded a trophy and cash incentive of rupees 50,000. APS Fazilka has stood second and won this award. The trophy is being received on behalf of the principal. Please give them a big round of applause.
With that, we come to the end of awards for class 10. As we move on to the next category of awards, I am reminded by this famous quote. School is a building which has 4 walls with tomorrow inside. Excellence awards for class 12 are in recognition for creating this golden tomorrow for the students. Let us begin with the very large category schools.
The prizes constituted for the very large category schools are: the school winning the first position is being awarded an impressive trophy and a cash incentive of rupees 1 lakh. This award is backed by APS Polaram. A huge round of applause for the winner, please.
The school bagging the second position is being awarded a silver trophy and a cash incentive of rupees 75,000. APS Udhampur walks away with this prize. Please, ladies and gentlemen, give them a big round of applause. We now move on to the next category.
The prizes constituted for the large category schools are: the school winning the first position is being awarded a magnificent golden trophy and a cash incentive of rupees 1 lakh. APS Diggy Camp has topped this category. Big round of applause for them, please.
The school bagging the second position is being awarded a silver trophy and a cash incentive of rupees 75,000. The school which stood second in this category this year is APS Nehru Road, Lucknow. A well-deserved applause for them, please. Moving on to the next category now.
The prizes constituted for the medium category schools are: the school winning the first position is being awarded a handsome trophy and a cash incentive of rupees 1 lakh. APS Tezpur has topped this category. Big round of applause for them, please.
The school standing second is being awarded a silver trophy and and a cash incentive of rupees 75,000. The school which stood second in this category this year is APS Golconda. Let's give a big round of applause to them. We now come to the small category schools.
The prizes constituted for the small category schools are: for the first position, the school is being awarded a trophy and a cash incentive of rupees 1 lakh. APS Ranikhet has topped this category this year. A huge round of applause for them, please.
The school securing the second position is being awarded a trophy and a cash incentive of rupees 75,000. APS Noida has stood second and won this award. Let's give them a well-deserved ovation, please. Ladies and gentlemen, we now move on to the last and final category for the class 12.
The prizes constituted for the very small category schools are: the school standing first in this category is APS Dakshai. They are being awarded a trophy and a cash incentive of rupees 1 lakh. Let's put our hands together for them, please.
The school securing the second position is being awarded a trophy and a cash incentive of rupees 75,000. APS Cannanore has stood second and won this award. Let's give them a big round of applause.
With that, we come to the end of awards for Class 12. Heartiest congratulations to all the winners.
Felicitations to all the schools for their dedicated efforts, resilience and performance par excellence.
Thank you, sir, for doing the honours. Let me now request our Honourable Patron, Major General Anupam Agrawal, GOC 22 Infantry Division, our Chairman, sir, and our Principal, ma'am, to kindly present a token of our heartfelt gratitude and admiration to our Chief Guest, Lieutenant General Bhavnish Kumar, Vishisht Seva Medal, GOC Delhi area. The painting being presented is a creative composition by Ms. Divya of Class 11E. Thank you, sir.
I now request our esteemed chief guest to kindly share his valuable views with the August gathering and motivate the students.
Major General P.R. Murli, Vishish Seva Medal, the Managing Director of Army Welfare Education Society, Brigadier Shishir Kumaya Sena Medal, Chairman of APS Shankar Vihar, Mrs. Neena Singh, Principal APS Shankar Vihar, Mrs. Gunjan Agarwal, the guest of honor today, and the Chairman FW of 22 Live, all the principals of the schools which have won the awards of excellence today, and the other principals also, all the teachers and our dear students. Very good morning to all of you, and it's so wonderful to be here with all of you today here, because it's a momentous occasion. Gives us an immense sense of satisfaction to see how all our Army public schools are doing so well. You know, what is very heartening is to see when we interact with the school children. I've been patron, and I'm very happy to see APS Sagar also bagging a couple of prizes. I was patron of that school in my previous tenure in Sagar, and likewise as a senior patron of a couple of schools here, one feels very satisfied and very happy to see how our students, our children are progressing. I think we've got a very bright future. The children who are in APSs today, we are all very proud of you. You are way, way far ahead of us, and you all are best. You know, in our times, it used to be simple subjects like maths, science, physics, chemistry, English, geography. But now, in your time, with the new technology coming in, you are getting into different fields. Like you have the communication is touching 6G now. Then you have so much of space technology which is coming in, the cyber security, cyber technology which has creeped in. Then you have the other drone technologies coming in, the quantum physics, the artificial intelligence. There is so much you all have to do. In our times, the coin used to be either heads or tails. But now with the concept of superpositioning which we are learning in the quantum physics, it is, multi-state at any point of time. Am I right? Yeah, there are some science students who are, helping me out with this. So lovely, it's very interesting. We are getting to read all this thing in a later stage of time, but you guys are blessed. You are seeing this new technology and you are going to be living with it. You are going to be carrying out a whole lot of creativity out of these technologies, and we know it. You will be leading the world. I am so proud of our children, and particularly the children of the Army Public Schools. You all study well, you all get wonderful marks in your academics, your performance in co-curricular activities, in sports activities is phenomenal. You are absolutely multi-talented. And thanks interacting with you all today. I also go back when I come and attend such ceremonies, much more, there's so much of enthusiasm in these kind of ceremonies. The children are full of energy, and we walk back with our batteries also, recharged. And my heart goes for the children who are, scoring 70 to 80%, because today is the era of, the competition is 93, 94, 95. What is the highest score we all are getting these days? 97, 98? Yeah, so my heart goes for the children who are scoring 70%, 80%, because that is what the bracket we were all from. And you guys are awesome. And believe you me, those who are not the science students, those who are commerce students and the art students, you are going to be thinking of the, this new technology, what creativity, what creations we can make. Of course, the science students will have to then work to create that kind of a thing. But the applicability will come from you students, from those who are in arts and commerce. So please, each one of you is best, and each one of you are going to make all of us very proud, and we are very, very confident that the future of this nation is very, very secure because of you all, the future citizens sitting here. My gratitude to all the principals and all the teachers and all the support staff which is there in the schools, please convey to all of them. You are doing such a noble job for all our children, all the parents, and we are very, very thankful to each one of you, and particularly the ladies who handle their home also, and then come and do the job of such a noble profession that is teaching, and we owe it all to you. Thank you so very much, and very well organized ceremony. Really enjoyed it. So my gratitude to APS Shankar Vyar ma'am for organizing this ceremony for the Army Welfare Education Society. You, your teachers, your students, and all your support staff, please convey our compliments to each one of them. This has been so well organized. Thank you. And thank you, sir. You and your team is doing a great job in all the 139 schools, sir. And it's a wonderful, noble service which this society is doing for the children and for the growth and the future of this nation. Thank you very much. Thank you. God bless you all. Jai Hind.
Thank you very much, sir, for your kind and inspiring words. It will indeed help to hone our skills and sustain high standards in all our endeavours. We will now request Major General P.R. Murli, Vishisht Seva Medal, MD Avis, to kindly propose a vote of thanks, please.
General Bhavnish, DOC Delhi area, Ms. Agarwal, Guest of Honor, Chairman, Leader Shishit Timaya, Principal, other principals, other guests, and dear students. Before I say thanks, I just echo 3 points, which when you call upon me to speak during debate, I didn't respond because the judges were, marking. I am of the view that traditional Guru-Shiksha relationship cannot be overtaken by, but it can supplement. That's why we have gone in for, TAG and various other LMS packages and various other things. So, primarily, you cannot replace a physical teacher from the class, and teachers are doing a wonderful job. And students, you must be thankful to your teachers to mold you to what you are going to be in future. And a big thanks to all of you, man, all the teachers, you're doing a wonderful job. The second point that I want to highlight is, I want to congratulate all the award winners and those who missed out. However, I have one point. All these competitions that we are doing in the Army environment. And we all know that our schools are doing very well. But when you go out of the Army school environment, and if you take part in the competitions outside, you win a prize. That makes your school and the Army environment, APSS permanently, stand high up in the complete nation. So I urge every principal, you must take part in national level competitions. CBSE, conducts many other national competitions, and I find very few schools participate in that. An award at a national level is any day better and better qualified and gives you better points when you go for a higher studies elsewhere. So please, principals, make your students, train them and make them participate in national levels. And I've been emphasizing on this through our messages to the principals every day. I've been sending some through additional director academics email. So you must participate. And I'm very happy APS Kanpur, not Kanpur, this is Kolkata. The boys did a wonderful job in Ideathon, which is conducted at IIT Delhi. They won a 3rd prize and they got an incubation money of 1 lakh for their project. And I visited them, and the way these kids were presenting, they were selling their product was fantastic. So this is what we need. Now, the last point which I think GOC also emphasized on, science is good. Science is making waves. But gentlemen, the creativity, like GOC said, comes from an art student. The dance performance, the art, the languages, where does it come from? The art student. Please don't ignore if you have a heart for arts, please don't go to science. In fact, when I was addressing the BOG of AWA, and I was giving what AWS does for army schools and all, two ladies after the presentation walked up to me and said, General Murli, I think we should have taken arts in our classes because Papa ne bola BSc kar liya. And while doing BSc, I realized I have a flair for languages. It is too late in life to realize that. But you are at a stage where you can pick up your career now. Don't go blindly after science. It's my sincere advice, and I fully endorse what GOC Delhi area said. Now, it all reminds for me to thank GOC Delhi area. You must understand, Delhi is a happening place. And at every drop of the ticking of the second hand, GOC Delhi area gets a call for some conference somewhere or other. And I am very grateful to you, sir, for taking time out and be amongst us to give away those awards. Thank you very much for that. And ma'am, again, you come all the way from Meerut and you try to be with us and be part of us. Thank you very much for that. All of the principals who have come from various schools, prize winners and the students, you really deserve an applause for participating in this event, and my heartfelt thanks to you because it's an annual event and you have made our day. Last but not the least, it is a special thanks to Chairman APS Shangavihar Brigadier Shishir Timaya, Principal Mrs. Neena Singh, and all the teachers, students and staff of APS Shangavihar. हमारा पड़ोसी है, so आप लोग बहुत काम किया. I've been seeing you like last 2-3 days. I've been seeing the students in NCC uniform rehearsing and a lot of work going around. So I knew good product is coming up. And beautifully, I never interfered in that because I had full confidence in you and you have produced a wonderful thing and a wonderful efforts. Thank you very much for that. Thank you everybody. A good day. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir. I now request everyone to rise for the Eva song, followed by the national anthem.
Mighty Chardin,
I request the audience to kindly be seated till the chief guest and other dignitaries leave the auditorium.